Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, December 3, day off ko. And nasa koloni na naman kami guys, and I'm like cleaning up in here because by next week may mga bisita tayong darating, and I think the place is not ready yet. So, yeah, nai-stress na ako ng kunti. So, I'll let you show kung yung mga sana talaga malinis namin to ng maayos. Ang daming kalat. There. Pero maganda yung light, see? Char. Pero ang kabuuan talaga is sobrang dumi pa. We have to remove everything and maybe hide it somewhere there. Para dito yung parang main event natin. So, syempre, pagagandahin namin. Yan si Martin is so... Yeah. What's up? What's up?
Nothing is up.
So yun guys, medyo stress tayo ngayon, and I got actually today and tomorrow to clean up. Pero may darating daw na bisita dito si Martin. So yeah, but we only got today and tomorrow to clean up, and then the next day actually off ako from my real work. Tapos yung on the third day may gagawin ako. So, yeah, I only got 2 days to clean this thing up, and I really hope by next Sunday is maging okay na talaga siya. Kasi yung mga bisita ko is from my language school dati, yung mga classmates ko, and we're actually just gonna be 5 people. Kasi busy-busy na sila sa kanilang mga buhay-buhay. Ang iba may mga anak na, ganyan. So, we're gonna be 5 people in here. Hi, my God, ang haggard. So, anyway, yeah, yun nga mangyayari, 5 people in here. I'm gonna make it as a nice as possible. So yun nga guys, I only got 2 days to clean up here, today and tomorrow. At ang dami pa talagang dapat linisin, and my friends are gonna be here by Sunday, next Sunday. One week from now. So we're gonna have our Christmas lunch. Yes, Yuli Frocos, Christmas lunch. Pero hindi kami ganun karami. We're gonna be 5 people in total. And I think Martin is gonna join. Kasi wala naman din siya ibang gagawin. So it's gonna be 6 people. Tapos mag-Christmas party kami dito. And I just really hope na maging okay siya. Yung mga bisita ko pala guys, they are my classmates way back many years ago sa language school. And it's been so long na hindi ko sila nakita. So I was just thinking, one night I was just like, okay, what to do? So out of nowhere, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna invite them and we're gonna have a nice Christmas lunch. And I thought by that time mariready na ang aming lugar dito, pero hindi pa pala, kaya medyo stress ako. I just hope talaga na matapos to. Hi, but anyway, yeah, yun yung aming project. It's gonna be fine, I hope. Christmas is coming. Busy. Pag Christmas talaga, parang, it's supposed to be a happy season. And yeah, I'm happy, but it's also a very stressful season kasi nga that's the time that you're gonna meet, your friends, your family, buying Christmas gifts. You want everything to be perfect. Ganyan. Ay, nako. But anyway, I think it's gonna be fine at the end. It has to be.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories. I worked until I bled. The suffering made me stronger, so I pushed to get ahead. And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. In my comfy car I drive away, but there is nowhere left to go. 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? No one ever told me.
Hello guys, ano na ngayon? Anong oras na ba? Ang bilis lang talaga ng oras. It is 8 in the evening na. Tapos, yeah, 8 in the evening. Hindi pa rin kami tapos dito. And as you can see, sobrang messy pa rin niya. Ewan ko ba talaga guys, kung matatapos ba namin to. Dapat next Sunday is sobrang malinis na dito. And I'm gonna put a nice table para sa aming Christmas lunch. Pero for now, parang napaka-impossible talaga. But anyway, we cleaned that area there. There. Kita niyo ba there? Yeah, there's a small room there. So we're cleaning that one. So all of this mess will just be put there. And then this will be a clean area where we can have our party. But anyway, I don't think it's not like a wild party because we're all girls plus Martin. But we're just gonna eat and then play a little game, the Danish game where you can play with the dice and then yeah, you're gonna get some gift, ganyan. And then yeah, then maybe just talk about life and then bye-bye after. I think yun lang yun. But anyway, it's snowing again outside. Is it snow or is it a rain?
So,
I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can there. See, nag-snow na naman siya. My gosh. Hello guys, nasa bahay na kami ulit. And grabe, sobrang lamig sa labas. And I'm just happy na nasa bahay na kami. And yeah, it's been a long day. And Martin's making coffee for me, I think. And he's making chocolate drink for himself. Kasi yun, hindi siya uminom ng coffee. So, yeah, upo-upo na muna ako dito while waiting.